Hi everyone, this is Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. Today I'm taking part in a junk journal swap, and the host is Melissa from Melissa Makes It DIY, and we just got a bunch of different stuff that could go in a junk journal, and we sent it to one of these other ladies. So let's get right to what I end up doing with my package from one of the crafters. So I got this envelope, and I ended up opening it up, and there was a card in there. And when I opened it up, I could tell that it was Shawnie that sent it to me from Glitzy Stitches. She's a friend that I've known since right after I started my channel over a year ago. So here I am just going through all the different things that she gave me or sent me, more or less. And she sent me some paper, some feathers, some stickers, some rub-ons, some little cards, and it was just like a jumble amount of different things. Now I ended up not using everything, but I ended up using a lot of stuff. Now I felt like I didn't have enough to start a journal, and I have this journal and I wanted to start decorating it so that I could use it, and I've never used it before. So she gave me this little doily, and I'm just hooking it right in the front of the cover. And what I ended up doing was deciding some of the stuff was Christmas, some of the stuff was like road trip, which I take a lot of road trips. Some of it was just more or less everyday stuff. So there was that little cross, I put that on the top, and then I put these little words that was just a sticker, and I just put that on there. Now some of them I wasn't sure what they were, I couldn't tell, but I figured it out. So as you can see, I am just literally I'm going to decorate each page as I go through, and hopefully by the time I'm done, I'll have every single page done. So like I said, I'm kind of sorting this out, what's what. Now, these papers, they look like they're 6 by 6s. So I decide what size I want it. So I grabbed my Fisker cutter, and I went ahead and I started deciding exactly what I wanted to do with each one of these. And I just decorated all of the pages. So I hope you guys like junk journals. I'm new to junk journals. This is only my second one. I find them fascinating because you can write in them. It's not like a regular old journal like I used to do, just lined paper and you just write. Now this makes it really fun to do. So I can add stuff that goes to each one of these, however, whenever I want. So I did the green paper, and that black has it's a dark gray with white flowers. So now I'm cutting another page, and I'm using the blue. So I'm just going to color I'm just going to make the whole page this blue color. And like I said, I'm just going to decorate each one the way I want to. And I know I'm using hot glue. My glue stick pretty much died on me, so I just had to go with it. Now, this was a fun sticker that I put on there. And I can't remember exactly what everything is, so I have to sit and watch it. But I'm literally just going through everything and deciding what I want to put on each one. Unfortunately, some of the rub-ons while it was shipping rubbed on to the backer paper, and I couldn't get them off, but I will eventually just cut them and use them that way, because I have a sticker maker, so I can turn them into stickers. So I'm just going to put that little rub on that one, and yeah, I really enjoyed making this. Like I said, I have tons more pages in this book to design, and that's what I'm going to be working on and seeing what I can do. And I hope that the person that I sent mine to ends up really liking the stuff I sent. I didn't send as much. I got really sick with a really bad cold, and I had completely spaced it. In the last day, I'm thinking, oh no, I gotta get this sent. And I just went into my craft room and grabbed a bunch of stuff and stuck it in an envelope and sent it. So it wasn't quite as good as I wanted it to be. So I just hope that she enjoys what I ended up sending her. Okay, so I'm just going to let you sit here and just enjoy this process. Now this is a Christmas page, and I had a hard time figuring out what these were, but they are stickers. So I decided to go ahead and make this page a Christmas. This was a light green paper behind it. So this was a really fun Christmas page to make, and then I go and move on. I ended up doing like 6 or 7 pages, so I enjoyed it. Now this was a little wooden sleigh, so I'm going to make another Christmas page with this one. Now part of the reason why I'm putting a lot of the backer paper on, or the cardstock, is to give more stability to each one of the pages. So I'm just going ahead and doing that. So after putting that sleigh on, then I'm going to finish decorating this one with as another Christmas page. Excuse me. So I'm adding some blue down at the bottom, and then I'm going to, I'm not sure if I embellish this more. I think I do. Looks like, oh yes, I do. I add that little bird on it, like a little dove, and then we move on to the next page. Now this is says Route 66 on the main paper, on the brown paper. So that's what I'm going to put down first. And then the other paper is road signs like interstate, highways, roadways, all that. So I am, and there's this other little paper, and I cannot remember what is on this. So I am making a page for travels, since I do it quite a bit, so I can write about it in this journal. Plus, I have the other page for that I can write on. I'm only doing the one side, the right side, each time as you flip it, not the left. So that leaves that one completely open. And don't forget to go down to the description box. Down there is going to be Melissa's channel link, as well as the playlist link, and a bunch of really cool information about my link tree. I am a Plaid ambassador, as well as a BB Craft affiliate, and many other things. My link tree will take you to links of stuff that I have on Amazon, because I'm an Amazon affiliate as well. So you can go and check those out. Also, if you are inclined to hit that subscribe button, it will help my channel grow. And if you hit that notification bell, click it twice, and you'll get the all. That should notify you every time I upload a video. It doesn't always. Sometimes it's a couple hours late, but it all usually does it. And then give me a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment if you would like. I love reading comments. So even if it's just, hey, how are you? I liked it, whatever, I love reading it. So, and if you've noticed, I have a bandage on my hand. I got cut last week, and so I had stitches in my hand, on my hand, so I just had the bandage over them. So this is a product that was sent to me free of charge, and they asked me to do a review and show this. It is wax stamps. So I decided that I was going to put a wax stamp on this first page, and I am just using like a brass colored wax, and they sent these little candles, and they sent me everything to go with it. I ended up using one little wax, and it ended up not being enough. I probably pushed too hard, but hey, it's a learning process. So I went ahead and just you get one of the candles and you light it, and then you once you get it lighted, you hold the little spoon with the wax in it, and I had to decide which stamp I wanted to use. So I just lit that, and then you just hold it over it, and it will melt it. It doesn't take super long, but it took probably a minute, maybe 2 minutes. There are some that you can just sit the spoon on, so you don't have to hold it the whole time. But like I said, I realized that I probably should have put 2 in, or just not pushed down so hard. I plan on purchasing more of these little stamps. I got more general ones than I did like a holiday. but I really enjoy these. They are just beautiful. Okay, after getting that all stamped, then the sent me silver and gold metallic markers, and so I am just going to embellish some of the pages that are not as busy. So I'm using the gold one on this one, and then I go to the silver one and I do little squiggly dots on this little blue part of the paper. And I hope you guys enjoy this, and don't forget to have a blessed week and be the Bible somebody reads today. Bye.